Imagine if farming changed big time because of science. Instead of sad looking tomatoes and dying plants, picture a world where our food stays fresh and yummy even after we pick it. It's like a total makeover for how we grow stuff. We can have tasty tomatoes that stay nice and firm for ages, keeping us fed happily. Hello, my name is Elizabeth, and the topic I will be talking about today is genetically modified organism, or GMOs. This topic has sparked both fascination and controversy. As someone who has spent hours researching GMO technology and its impact on our world, I believe I am well equipped to shed light on this complex subject. During this speech, there are three main points I will discuss. The first point I will discuss will provide the history of GMOs. My second point will show the advantages, and my final point will cover the disadvantages on GMOs. Let's begin with the background of my topic. The history of GMOs, according to a 2016 article published in the National Academy of Science, Engineering, and Medicine, the first genetically engineered crops were first introduced commercially in the 1990s. This was only able to happen after the idea emerged in the 1980s with the development of recombinant DNA technology, allowing scientists to transfer genes between species. These crops were engineered to withstand pests and herbicides, offering increased yields and reduced resilience on chemical pesticides. However, the widespread adoption of GMOs also sparked controversy regarding potential long term effects on human health and the environment. This leads to my second point, the advantages of GMOs. Genetically modified organisms offer several advantages in agriculture, including increased crop yields, reduced pesticide use, and improved nutritional content. The 2020 International Service of Adequate and our Biotech Application book gives information on the increase in crop yields. GMOs are engineered to resist pests, diseases, and environmental stressors, leading to higher yields. For example, insect resistant Bt cotton has been shown to increase yields by reducing crop losses due to insect damage. Another advantage is the reduced pesticide use. In a 2014 article authored by Klumper and Quinn, says GMOs with built-in pest resistance require fewer chemical pesticides, resulting in reduced environmental pollution and lower health risks for farmers. Herbicide-tolerant crops allow for more efficient weed control, reducing the need for mechanical cultivation and herbicides. GMOs has many great advantages, which leads me to my third topic on their disadvantages. The two biggest disadvantages are environmental concerns and health risks. In the 2017 article authored by Van Acker and Smith, they talk about the environmental concerns GMOs has raised worries about untamed effect on the ecosystem and biodiversity. Gene flow from genetically modified crops to wild relative can lead to development of herbicide resistance, superweeds, and loss of native species. Additionally, the use of GMOs engineered for resistance may result in the emergence of resistant pest population, necessitating the development of new control measures. The health risks are talked about in the 2011 article published in a literature review on safety assessments in genetically modified plants. Concerns include allergies, toxicities, and transfers of antibiotic resistance genes from genetically modified organisms to get to gut bacteria. While regulatory agencies generally consider genetic GMOs foods safe for consumption, ongoing research is needed to fully understand their long-term effects on human health. In summary, GMOs present both opportunities and challenges, serving as powerful tools in addressing worldwide food security issues while also considering the concerns on environmental implication and potential health risks. Throughout this discussion, we have explored three key aspects: the historical context and foundation of GMOs, their benefits and their drawbacks. By critically examining each aspect, we can make informed decisions about the role of GMO technology in shaping our future.